is a quick video tutorial showing the new standard for commercial and residential irrigation installation. It starts with the ability to hook up a commercial grade contractor remote and be able to service the system from outside the building. The next item to make a system as efficient as possible is to have an Alleviator, or a device that allows you to turn the water off and on without physically having to go in the homeowner's basement. In this case, there's an RPZ down in the basement, and then we have an Alleviator here, and then basically a blowout fitting. This allows us to turn the water off and on without even having to get in the homeowner's basement. Would be a controller that is managed over the internet, allowing for adjustments of weather data, not only ET adjustments, but also on-site rain sensing. And in this case, it rained last night, so the sensor is tripped. And then also a flow meter in place, allowing for real-time data in terms of flow, allowing us to know immediately when there's a broken head. Basically, this is the new standard for effective and efficient irrigation.